Hello guys, I just want to know why is DJI did not use this naked racing style. Why did not choose this, I mean, isn't that simple to do? And I don't know why they would go for this look. And you can see here, I mean, the goggles is the newer version of it. And this is what it comes out with. It's a little bit futuristic, and that's a good thing. And there's a lot to it that I want to go and tell you. This drone is gonna be this drone right here in the DJI is gonna be like I would say, I don't want to say a beginner. I would say the new era of FPV. The reason why I'm saying that because DJI always wanna, I don't want to say compete, but they wanna elevate, new technology. And being on, I would say, number one drone company, they have to come up with innovations and new things, new technology, and yet to present to the media. And what I'm saying is, this couple of drones already did this way in the past. Back then, drones already doing this. They have company that actually has the ER, um, reality gaming, and I think DJI is focusing on that. It's the fact that they're gonna make their own FPV, I would say, drone, but not competing this drone here, not competing a bigger drone. It's just gonna be their own drones that they're gonna compete each other, that they're gonna put everybody together and try out this new product that they have and share to everyone. And also, guys, I think that's what is missing right now with FPV, because basically FPV is just you know having a GoPro or a Osmo action and put it on top of your drone and go around, go obstacles and show the media. I think DJI is gonna do more than that. It means that you're gonna able to fly your drone and you're also gonna have reality, kind of like this. It's 2021 already, and I think it would be awesome if DJI is already been doing that. And I think that's the reason why they're going to this market. It's not a foldable drone, but this just remind me of DJ Spark, but a little bit bigger. It's not hard to make this drone. It's not difficult. I mean, you can buy this and any website, you can fix this up. You can get different ones. You can set up the motherboard, and you see this right here. I mean, all you gotta do is plug it into your computer and download the
Flight control.
the way how you pitch your motors and how you set it up, and you're good to go. I mean, it's not that hard, especially now. You can just go ahead and purchase any one of these, and if you get the right stuff, and then you can just go race. And I think DJI is not going that route. I think they're making their own drone, and also that for everyone to, not just a beginner, to introduce. They're gonna have their own arena, they're gonna have their own game, and they're gonna have their own drones. Not because what they can do is the fact that it's gonna be better that DJI has been always doing. And you can see here they've been always they're trying to be in the gaming, and that's what they're trying to do. They want everyone to enjoy FPV, not worry about crashing, has the obstacle avoidance if it needs to. Um, I think it's gonna be great. It's gonna be more in media. It's gonna be more live, because DJI right now is actually the only DJI company that you can live stream, and you can use their app. I think it's gonna be cool. You can have your own, I would say, broadcast. Not only that, you can also fly one another in different countries or anything else, get together in reality and playing as a video game. And that's what they're focusing in. Not only that, I think they're gonna add coding to it too. And that's gonna be the new drone. They're gonna, it's kind of like how the RoboMaster, they're gonna do the same thing. They're gonna add, it's gonna teach you how to code, how to make your own flight. You don't have to worry about downloading to how to, pitch your motors and anything like that, but you can actually create your own flight, your own system by coding. And they're doing this already with the RoboMaster S1. And not only that, you can also go gaming, and you can also go online, I would say reality, and you can compete with everyone too. And not only that, when you're done with other things that you want to do, you can actually do competition, and only with DJI competition. And I think it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be awesome for all of us, because it's gonna be, I would say, a new game changer, I would say. And so I think it's gonna have autonomous feature to it, Adam. So it's gonna be kind of like how the RoboMaster. And look at this, if you do master it, you might get a chance to challenge to go to one of this arena and compete with the same category that you guys play with DJI drones. So I think it's gonna be awesome. And the other thing about it is, I think it's the size, kind of like this, because I know it's gotta be around 250 grams. And this is the mini. You can see here, just for the size comparison. So it's gonna be like that. I think this is, so it's basically the same size as this. And even a Mavic Air is probably bigger. And and you can see how, I'll get this really quick here. You can see how big is the Mavic Air, because the legs. And that's what the difference on this racing drone. So I'm just giving you guys an example. I mean, it's not really hard to make this, I mean, you can actually get different brands and put it all together. And one thing about it is, like some of those pro, they're gonna have a 3D, just in case if they break the arms or anything like that. They have a 3D machine that they can print it out. Another thing, guys, the propellers is very efficient. It's kind of like the Mavic Air 2. And it has that blade to it, like a little cut to it. So I think it's gonna be, they're introducing that to racing drone. So you can see here, like for instance, like this one right here has that already, but imagine having that on there. So you're gonna have all this. So I think it's gonna be great. So let me know what you guys think. We all just speculating right now, but this is my thought about it. Is I think DJI is gonna go ahead and focus on the AR reality, gaming and racing. Not only you out there is gonna be doing this, but everybody else in the world, that everybody can just fly however they want, as long as you have an open field. And I think it's gonna be awesome. So I don't know the price yet. We're gonna go and check it out. But I think, like I said before, because I think the price is gonna be better this time. I think DJI is gonna be, they're gonna make everybody into this. So I think they're gonna reason up the price. Maybe it's gonna be around $500 to $600, $700. That's my thoughts around there, okay? And I don't think it's gonna be around 1,000. There's no way, because if it's 1,000, then people just gonna build their drones. They're just gonna build this and get the goggles for the same amount. So they're not gonna. I don't think it's gonna be worth that much. And actually, I think it's gonna be better. So you don't have to worry about, if you're a beginner, you can put the obstacle. If it does have the obstacle, that'd be great. It's gonna have a GPS because people are just gonna be flying around. They're gonna lose it, and the only way they're gonna have is return to home. So they're gonna add that feature. You can see it too on the controller, and I think they actually made it to kind of like a gaming controller, and that's a good thing they did that. And also they have this slot here that actually you can put the removable grip joystick. When you're done, you can take it off and you can stick it here because it seems like it. I'll show you the video, and it shows right there. It has that little hole in the side. Maybe you can put the phone in there or tablet, but I like the way that the front stuff just comes up. I don't know if it's gonna be AccuSync 4.0, 5.0. They're gonna have, we're gonna go and check it out, see how this thing's gonna be, and it's gonna be awesome. And it's gonna be different. So it's not gonna be like one of these drones, like one of these naked drones, okay? Is it gonna be faster than this? And I would say probably not. It's not gonna be as fast, but it's gonna be fun to fly, that has enough power, that has enough for you to have a good time, And I mean, everything can be coded. I mean, everything can be modified when you are programming, especially when you're programming your iPad. And that's what DJI is gonna do. You can decide what kind of, how you want to fly your drone. How do you want it? Would be interesting because they already have that mechanical. I mean, guys, they already have that back in the previous drones already. They already have those that actually, that when you're going forward, the front camera goes up. When you're slowing down, the camera goes down. They already have those. But having a goggles while you're moving, by moving your head and all that kind of stuff, and this front gimbal would just keep going up and down, would be really interesting. Would be awesome. So yeah, I can't wait to see what this thing can do. And in my opinion, I think it's gonna be worth it for all of us. So the flight time on the battery and also the long range, that's gonna be interesting on this. I can't believe it's been leaked out already, and it's something different. I think everybody is just, I think DJI is gonna have their own arena. They're gonna have their own racing. I don't think it's gonna be competitive to all this, rotary racing drones out there. I think DJI is probably gonna add an AI built into it. So, not only you're flying your drone, you can also compete with the AI technology, AR gaming. Gonna be worth it? Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. This is my thought of it, and having experience with DJI drones and for a long time, and see how they became and how they become big, and and just how they are right now. And I think it's a way to go. I mean, their goggles are really game changers. So let me know what you guys think, man. This is really interesting for all of us. I'm very excited. I can't wait, for the DJI to come out with. And I think it's just gonna be a better way of doing it. So I think they're gonna make it like a AR gaming, kind of like this, They're gonna add that. So I mean, they already did this in the past with the goggles already, with the FPV goggles. I mean, imagine that now, This is gonna be the third, I would say fourth gen of making goggles. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be solid this time, and it's gonna be more upgraded, and it can be better. So again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And this is my thought of this new FPV racing drone combo, or what they have. And it's gonna be interesting.